Sanag brand has a new Bluetooth speaker, the M15, and it's a pretty cool Bluetooth speaker when we talk about audio performance. It's not necessarily the best speaker out there, but it does do a pretty well job overall. There's only one big complaint I have with the speaker, and that's this. Why does it not have a feed underneath? That's really the biggest complaint I have. Like, yeah, you can place it like this. You can even, if you really want to, place it a bit like this, but why not like this? There is no feed. If you really balance it, maybe it will keep standing, but overall not. And this is just something I find pretty annoying about the speaker, because when we talk about audio and even the LED lights on the side, it is all fine for this low price of this speaker, but why not a feed underneath? I just don't understand it. This just makes the speaker a bit weird, because if you put it on the side, yes sure, it will work. It even has some air openings for the passive radiator, but you do lose more bass if you place the passive radiator on your table. And also, on the rear, yeah, you don't really have feeds. Yeah, they did try to make it a bit like a feed, but yeah, I just don't really understand the overall design of the speaker. It just makes the speaker a bit obsolete, not needed. And I just think it would be much better if it was a speaker that you can place like this. But they even advertise it like this here, but also on the front. So it is a bit of a weird thing. Like, why advertise the speaker that you can place it like that if it's not really possible? Let's try it again, one time. And then we go to the audio samples. No, it's just not working. So without further ado, let's just go to the audio. And the audio is fine. It's not a bad speaker, it's not the best, but they did try to get a best compromise on this small kind of speaker. It's just said there's no feed. So I will place it against the box or against some other items, so you can at least hear the audio when it is positioned to you. So without further ado, let's go to those samples. Stronger now, a little stronger now.